Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today we're working on another race car. This one's a L88 Vette, which is amazingly clean and awesome.
I love it. We'll call this thing Bic, because that's what it's been.
Is this a 69 or 59? Nice. That'll do.
Trust me, it's not that I don't make mistakes, but I believe it's correct. Oh.
Hey, Al, Brandon's up in here. You're getting off work. I'll just have him come get me if you want to say more.
Yeah, that'll work. I can drive it home. Still help me load it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Man, this is one dead sexy Stingray. Little wood calipers. Those shave a ton of weight off the car because they're aluminum instead of the factory cast. Strong arms for the steering linkages. Fender well headers. Very nice car. So we started out, we had our tire ends 1.5 inches different length. Now our center link's square, our tire ends are close. I'm making some adjustments up on the top end on the upper SPC control arms to get my caster and camber close. I need to modify my toe now that I've made a massive adjustment and recomp. Alright, so that's pretty close. We're going to recomp and start over. Probably horrible in the rain.
No, dangerous as hell. My daily driver's an STI Subaru. And when I got it, that summer car.
Your daily driver's an STI Subaru and you got this sitting in the garage? That's hilarious.
No, why is that?
Oh, STIs are cool, but that's way cooler.
Yeah. Yeah, people, these thoroughbreds are just that. They're thoroughbreds. You know, they're like, you work on them 6 hours, they're driving 1 hour. Yeah.
Go. It's not a bad start.
Getting off the fast country road. I'm gonna say it that way. Even if it's a state route, it's getting off the fast country road. I'm responsible for them bolts being in there back there.
Well, the bolts are in here like this because you can't take the bolt out the other way. Oh no, this is the way to put the body on. Yeah, you can't take the bolt out with the body on with the full sinister.
Yeah, I got it out. In there, I couldn't put it back in.
Oh, I got you.
Well, snow. I didn't have the finesse to do the job.
Darn stubby fingers holding it back again. This one made me work for it too, but I think we're there. I'll balance out my toe. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna take that. I think that's a win. Touch more faster.
Boss, it looked like you got it.
I think we got it, Lick.
Well, we have it on the screen. Either I'll take a picture or you give me a printout so I'll remember what I did.
I've got a printout up front for you.
That's how bad this is. Now, where'd we set that?
Right. 5 minutes. Well, cool. Let's have you pull out. We'll get you finished up.
Okay. If you can get somebody, I can finish up the build now and get somebody to give me a hand.
Yeah, getting on the trailer.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's not NHRA approved, I'll say.
Right. You almost need the T-tops off to get in and out of this thing.
Hey, it'd make it a hell of a lot easier. You step into this thing. I gotta remember we're straight.
Yeah, straight is off.
Straight is off.
This is your straight button right there.
Yeah, there you go.
So just remove the steering wheel and clock it one tick. That's just the epitome of cool. It was a little rough, but you made it.
Yeah, I made it. Oh, goodness.
It's a good thing it's a wide side.